Ephesians chapter 5 verses 3 to 4.
But among you there must not be even a hint of sexual immorality, or of any kind of impurity, or of greed, because these are improper for God's holy people. Nor should they be obscene, foolish talk, or coarse joking, which are out of place, but rather thanksgiving.
1 Peter chapter 4 verses 10 to 11.
Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. If anyone speaks, they should do so as one who speaks the very words of God. If anyone serves, they should do so with the grace God provides,
So that
in all things
God
God may be praised through Jesus Christ. To him be the glory and the power forever.